Let us start exercise 7.2, question number 1. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. Okay. In this question we have an isosceles triangle ABC where AB and AC both are equal. Like this. Suppose this is our isosceles triangle. Okay. Here A, B and C. This AB is equal to AC. Second thing is the bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Now we need to draw bisector like this. Okay. Suppose this is a bisector of angle B and here is a bisector of angle C, which are meet at intersect each other at O. Am I right? Now join A to O, A and O. Okay. And show that OB is equal to OC. Okay. In first one we need to show that OB is equal to OC, and second thing is AO is bisect A. So let us see here. First one is OB is equal to OC like this. Okay, OB and OC. So we can write solution here. In triangle ABC we have AB is equal to AC. Okay, AB is equal to AC, and angle of, look at here, angle of ACB and angle of ABC both are equal, is equal to angle of ABC. Why? Because of theorem number 7.2. Am I right? Which statement is, I would like to write here, what? Angle opposite two equal side of triangle are equal. Okay, this is statement of our theorem number 7.2. Now if ACB is equal to angle of ABC, and we already know that this one and this one is a bisector of our angle B and angle C. Am I right? That's why we can write half of angle ACB is equal to half of angle ABC. Therefore, now we can say that OB is equal to OC. Why? Because of theorem number 7.3. Theorem number 7.2 says if angle opposite two equal sides, okay, of triangle are equal, then theorem number 7.3 is converse theorem of 7.2. Here we can say that side opposite to equal angles, okay, side opposite to equal angles of triangle are equal. Okay, so this is our first proof. Okay, now let us see second one. In second one we need to say that AO, okay, this one AO bisect angle A. That means both are equal. Okay, we need to prove that. So let us write in triangle OAB, okay, in triangle OAB and OAC, we can say that here OA is common. Am I right? One minute. Look at here. Now we are talking about this triangle OAB and another triangle like this OAC. Okay. So in this question we can see that this AO is common. Am I right? AO is common for triangle OAB and OAC. So we can write here AO is equal to AO because of common, right? Now AB is equal to AC, which way or given, okay? AB is equal to AC. This is our given. Now third thing is we just prove that OB is equal to OC from first one. Am I right? That's why we can say that this triangle OAB and OAC both are congruent. Therefore triangle OAB is congruent triangle OAC. Therefore by simplicity we can say that what this AO is bisect. AO is bisect each other. Am I right? Why? Because of if OAB and OAC is congruent, then we can say that angle of OAB, look at here, angle of OAB is equal to angle of OAC, angle of OAC. Therefore AO is bisect angle A. So this is our second proof.